Hey guys, so today I'm going to do an unboxing, and if you haven't read from the title, today I'm unboxing the Fair Lansdell, which is in this box right here. It's their green watch. I think they only have one green watch, so if you go to their website and you check it out, it's essentially just their only green watch, really. It looks really great in person. I saw it at the Wind Up Watch Fair in San Francisco this year, and that's why I decided to buy it. Now, I already own two of their watches, and I'm really impressed with their quality and their use of color. I'm normally a little hesitant to go a little too crazy with the colors, but they pull it off really well. So I'm wearing the Fair Stanhope, which is sort of their panda dial kind of deal with sort of a waffle pattern on the watch face. And then I have here with me also the Hudson, which is their blue dial. And this looks amazing. This is actually probably my favorite Fair watch so far. Anyway, so let's get started and unbox this thing. Here is the box. Let's get started. So this is my first unboxing, so I normally don't know how to do these things, but excuse the scary looking knife here. Yeah. Go. There we go. Right, I think that should do the trick, right? Nope. There we go. There we go. All right. This is the card. There you go. Yep. All right. So here is the box. There is the watch. Looks really nice. Now I ordered this with the green leather strap, but according to this right here, it says that they were sold out right before they shipped out. So unfortunately, I don't get the green leather strap. It actually looks really nice with the green leather strap, but I got the tan strap here, which actually doesn't look too bad. Actually looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, so that's the watch. And then here underneath is the warranty card. It's the warranty. Fair sticker. What's this? Nice little booklet. And a cleaning cloth, some microfiber cloth. Yeah, and that's the watch. Alright, so I took off the plastic on the watch, so the top plastic and the plastic in the back. There you can see the movement. See, it's got a quick release for the leather straps. Looks really, really nice. And then it's hand winding, so there you go. You can see that second hands go. And then you can essentially pull the crown, one position. Push it back. And it's great. And you can see the balance wheel there. All right, let's take a quick shot of how it looks on the wrist. All right, so excuse the hairy wrists. So that's what it looks like on my wrist. My wrist is about just a little over 6 3/4 inches. It's a very handsome watch. It's also a very thin watch. And that was the fair Lansdell.